everybody! Today we are going to dig up our red potatoes. The potatoes grew so big this year and they were flopping over every which way we didn't even realize that this whole bed had already died back because that whole bed was growing over the top of it. So we picked through and we started pulling out vines, and now it's time to see how many how many potatoes we find. So for starters, I'm just gonna loosen a little, and then I might use my hands because I don't want to scar the potatoes. Alright. Whoop, not seeing anything yet, but we did pull some of these earlier. There we go. These are little red potatoes. Alright, now we have it. There is a tool called a potato fork, and I think I'm going to buy it. But for now, I'm just going to dig in the dirt. Ooh, that's a big one. Okay, got one whole side dug through. Got a nice little pile of red potatoes. We had picked some a little while ago. Check if they were ready. They were not. So now I'm going to dig into this one, which has some bigger plants still in it. Of vines. And you pull them up, you get the potatoes too. I'm not having that happen. Alright, now we have a beautiful empty bed. Look at this dirt, it's so beautiful. I'm having such a good year with brand new dirt and brand new stuff. Whole new process. I'm going to fill this bed with some green bean seeds for a fall harvest so we can can some more. And look at all of these beautiful red potatoes. This is from one bag of seed potatoes from Home Depot. They are Norland red potatoes, and I am super happy with them. So we will let these sit in the box in the garage for probably about a week, and then we'll put them on a shelf in the basement so they get lots of airflow, and they will keep for quite a long time if you do that. I'll also look through them. Anything that's been like scarred up, maybe got hit with a shovel or a fingernail or whatever, those need to be eaten right away because they will not save. But if you let them get dry and the skin get a little tough, they will save for months in a cool, dark place. So very excited about this. That crazy potato bed over there is still growing and very green, and so we will let it sit for a little bit longer and do another video when we do those. Those are Yukon Golds, so hopefully much bigger than these. This is a small potato, those are a big potato. Alrighty, if you like to play in the dirt and you want to follow me along on Garden Avenue, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.